Good habits for kids. First one is early to rise in every morning. Second one is early to sleep in every night. Third one is wash your hands before and after the eat. Fifth one is brush your teeth in twice a day. Sixth one is comb your hair. And seventh one is take a shower daily. And eighth one is eat healthy food. I know you all kids are very good and active, but if you adopt these habits, you will become super active.